Hello guys!
Hello.
Let everyone know where we are, Peter, Sarah.
We are at Fårup Sommerland.
Yes, we are. And today, it was said it was going to be very stormy. We are very well prepared again, but like yesterday, storm, but also rain.
Yeah.
So that's the difference. So it's raining now, but it's not that stormy.
No, it's kind of fine.
So hopefully we're going to have a great day anyway. That's the plan.
Yeah.
The park is open until 9:30 because they have Lightfall or Lysfall. It's like a festival where they have a lot of lights and DJs in the park. So hopefully we can show you this park at night.
Yes.
Also on rides, on the roller coasters here at Fårup Sommerland. So we didn't know this, but for 2024 they're gonna open 2 new slides in the water park. We've never been there because we are only here in April and October. Early April, I need to add to that. We always do it when it's very, very cold. But again, it's not that cold.
Nope.
We're kind of good. We think that we're gonna walk over to Fønix and do that one to start with, because as we said, we're gonna do that one in the dark because the rides are also open until 9:30. So a night ride in Fønix will be a lot of fun. But anyway, we need to try it now. We haven't ridden this since April 2022. Long time ago. We changed our mind. Lynet is on the way. Also Amusement, the back. Yes, look at this. Here's the Lysfall sign that there's a million pictures on Instagram, and of course they did this very smart. You walk up there, you sit down, you can take your pictures. This is gonna be very pretty later with all the lights. Yeah, I think we have to. But we are gonna walk over to Lynet, the launch roller coaster here at Fårup. Virvelvinden over there, the whirlwind, is the old spin rock from Liseberg. I think we need to ride that again. It's a really fun ride. Not as fun as Loke, but still a fun ride. Here the theming, they don't do Halloween here. They do efterårsferier, like after summer celebrations or party they have. So that's what's gonna happen together with Lightfall. But first, Lynet. Here we go, this is Lynet. I'm gonna try to do this. Here we go, guys. It doesn't matter that it rains, this is fun.
I just heard a bit.
What did you say?
It hurts.
Yeah, it hurts a little bit, yes. That is correct. So, that was Lynet. That was a walk-on ride, by the way. We just did Lynet. It was hurt in our face with the rain. We have no idea how that POV went, but hopefully it's good. At least they're serving iced coffee, iced tea, a lot of ice creams. So no, yeah, they are. But honestly, they have a lot of fires. You can make your own barbecues. They have a lot of tables set up for the after-year party. I think it's really, really nice, I have to say. Or autumn party, maybe. I'm not sure how that is. But anyway, it looks really nice. I like the vibe of the park. And especially, we do like the vibe of the park because it is what?
It is our last park.
No, that's not. It is.
What do you want me to say?
We're doing Halloween at Liseberg next weekend though, but
Oh, yeah,
that's not the point. The point is, it's completely empty.
Oh, that's...
Completely empty.
But I would like... This is the last part of our trip.
Yes.
Because our home park is not
No,
included.
I agree. But it's still part of Coaster October.
Yes.
Which is a thing that we created. Here we go, guys. Saven. Vi kommer family boomerang at Fårup. I remember this one is quite nice.
Yeah.
Still my favorite family boomerang is by far Luna at Liseberg. Oh. But this is fun.
This is nice. Yeah.
Here we go. And through the water. Here we have some theming. Poisonous plants. Oh, I didn't see the ghosts.
But that is made by pearls.
That is made by pearls. You're right. Look at that. Cool.
Very cool.
I like the idea. Why haven't you done the Coaster Stop logo in pearls?
It's coming.
Good. I want to see that. Anyway, we just did Saven. Really good Vekoma family boomerang here at Fårup. That was the second coaster in our 15 minutes visit.
This is a game.
Ah, cool. You're supposed to throw those.
Ja!
Nej, jag glömde trycka på record. One and a half years ago that we had this view. Gonna ride Fønix now. Fønix Firebird. It looks way more green than when we were here last time, I have to say.
It actually does.
Yeah, it was dirt or soil everywhere. Now it's starting to get green. I imagine this can be really cool in a couple of years. Before riding, we're gonna take some cool shots of this amazing Vekoma roller coaster.
Go through.
Thank you. Here we go. Front row in Fønix.
It does do still rain.
It does rain a little bit. But are we sad?
No.
No, we're not. We're riding Fønix. Riding Fønix is just fantastic. Such a good roller coaster.
For the
Third time today. We had some GoPro malfunction, so we had so sad we had to ride front row 2 times.
the staff is amazing, so we stored it for us.
Yeah, he took the camera for us. That was nice. Here we go, guys. Woo! Yeah, the screaming is for real, but this is so much fun. Ah, it hurts with the rain. Oh my goodness, this roller coaster. Wow. If you haven't been here, you have to go here. It doesn't matter if it rains. And we got that question a lot of times.
What?
Can you enjoy an amusement park if it's raining? Yes, you can. Yeah, you heard it and you saw it in the POV, but Fønix is such a good roller coaster.
So great.
It is just bonkers how good it is. The air time in that, I think it's 9 seconds, which only that is crazy. But the whole ride is smooth, it's awesome, and it has a fantastic layout.
And it's always the first ride you do, you like remember it.
Oh yeah,
It's so nice.
it is such a good coaster. It didn't matter that it rained.
No.
It was still very, very good. But we're gonna hide from the rain a little bit because we're gonna be here for like 10 hours today. We have a very long day, so we're not gonna overuse that. So Sarah said that we're gonna do Trästammarna,
Nej.
the flume ride. No?
No.
Why?
It's already a water.
No,
ride.
yeah. Fønix was actually a water ride now.
It was.
Classified as a water ride. At least no one is riding it, as it looks like. Smart people here. I think over there is the 4D cinema. I think. We are just strolling around the park after our ride in Fønix. Still raining. Again, it's like 12 o'clock. We're gonna be here till 9:30, so we still have 9.5 hours of fun in this park. So we are not gonna rush anything today, and we do not want to get wet now. We rather save ourselves for later. Entering the queue of Fønix. The park is basically empty. I have to say, it's 1.5 years old, but it still looks brand new. Love the color of this track. Okay guys, Fønix back row POV. We have done that, but with a chest mount. We have never done it with the GoPro Max. So I think if the rain doesn't kill it, this can be a really cool POV.
It would be nice to see the whole train.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we are gonna see the whole train. It's raining, guys. Don't forget to watch the full rainy vlog, and not only this POV. I promise, it's fun. This is a fantastic park. Wow. fantastic.
I do know that I missed it so much.
Oh, it is so good. Wow, and it started raining more, of course. 5 rides in Fønix this far?
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Enough.
Yeah, we're good. Honestly, it's such a good roller coaster, and we have walk-on rides.
Great.
It's really, really good. We wait maybe 1 train,
Yeah.
and that's it. And it's running great, and we don't have any rain anymore.
Oh.
And one more thing, the wind is completely gone.
Yeah.
So we are actually slightly overdressed.
No, we're not.
No, we're not.
It's still cold.
Yeah, it's still cold, but we're having such a good day. We thought this morning that, ooh, this is going to be cold, this is going to be a long day. But no, not at all. This is fantastic. And when we went out from Fønix now, we were like, wait, Orkanen. We forgot about that. We're not gonna ride Falcon because it's not our, we don't like that roller coaster, the wooden coaster here at Fårup. But anyway, we're gonna ride Orkanen now. And that's a great roller coaster.
It is.
And we're gonna bring you on ride. So Fårup is quite a big park, just you know. Water park, of course it's closed.
And here we have the wooden coaster.
Yes, here we have Falcon. We're not gonna ride it, we promise. It's been a change of plans. We walked all the way over to Orkanen, and believe me, it's not that short. Walked all the way over there to ride it. Started raining again, so now we're walking back to find lunch. Happy, Sarah?
No,
No.
I don't like the rain.
No, we don't like the rain, but lunch is gonna be good.
I like rain.
Yes. So here we are standing, hiding from the rain, but we are so amazed. We don't even need those actually, because we are like covered. But anyway, we're so amazed by the staff here. We know we said that at yours, they're amazing. They're really good here.
They are.
They are jumping ropes over there. They're running around dancing, fighting with fake swords, and they're dancing like crazy. And they're having the time of their life together with guests, but it's raining like crazy.
It's amazing.
It is amazing.
Yeah, I mean,
that is awesome.
I'm so blown away about
Yeah,
their
really.
enthusiasm.
This is just bonkers. It's 6 degrees and raining, and they thought this was a great idea. My goodness, they are so wet. What do you think of that?
Different.
Yeah. I miss this roller coaster too. It is so good. So for Lightfall later, I have to say this was quite brilliant. These are for oil containers, and then they just put a light on top, and these are gonna glow like little cubes, and it's gonna look awesome. I'm pretty sure it's all the way over here, not only in the water but also in the side. We made it. Sarah made it. First ride in Orkanen today. We're doing it in the rain. I think we're gonna have quite heavy rain. Sorry for that, but at least we gave you a POV. Oh, it's freezing! Oh yeah, it's raining a lot. Anyway guys, this is for you and for the art of roller coasters. A lot of water and rain here. Great layout. And we're back. Oh, that was a lot of fun anyway, no? Do you like it? Yeah. We made it, as you saw.
We made it.
We did Orkanen. I missed that roller coaster.
It's so great.
It's really good. We really hope that it's not gonna start raining again, so it can stay like this, so we actually can ride, because it's stopped now by the way, so we actually can ride this in the dark in Lightfall. Hopefully this one and Fønix, mostly Fønix, but maybe Orkanen once or twice.
We will see.
Yeah, we'll see. We're outside Fårup. Are we leaving?
No.
We are not. We're just finishing off this vlog because we're not promising, but there's a chance that we will do a separate vlog for Nightfall. Just because it's a different camera, it's a different sound, and it's gonna be a very long vlog. So we think that if we vlog, that's starting in 10 minutes, we're gonna do it with the other camera, but separate vlog. So guys, Fårup was amazing.
Amazing. So nice. So nice roller coasters. The staff is amazing.
Fantastic. Yeah, we had rain, not that much wind.
No.
But we still got a lot of rides in. We got Orkanen in the end there. We rode all the major coasters. We didn't do Amusement today.
No.
But
we did Fønix 4 times.
5 times.
5 times.
But that's not done.
No?
Because in the night vlog, if we do one, we are hopefully gonna ride more. Not POV because it's gonna be too dark, but we're gonna have night rides in Lynet, Fårup, Fønix and Orkanen.
Yeah.
With a lot of lights and things going on. So that's gonna be really cool. So, Coaster Top friends, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe
Comment.
and like. Bye!